Okay guys, I'm going to show you, this is going to be part of the vlog, I'm going to show you guys what I got on Groupon. So I had a little situation where I got 2 Groupons, one for massage and one for reflexology. One lady wouldn't call me back, and then with the other one, I already went to that massage place the year prior and I didn't realize, so they won't honor the full Groupon. They'll honor it towards the purchase of a massage, but the whole point of me getting the massage Groupon was not to pay for my massage, was for to just have the Groupon. Anyway, so I called Groupon and I was having a little bit of issue of getting my money back, and I was like, can't you just credit it to my account? Like, I'd never done this before, and I wound up getting credit towards my account. So instead of buying a Groupon, I decided to purchase a couple items from Groupon and give it a try. And I think it's just interesting that you could buy items from Groupon. So anyway, let's get right into it. So the first thing that I got was this hair scalp massager. I love this. I use this every time I wash my hair. When I put shampoo in my hair, I always massage it in, and I just love it. It's really compatible to fit your hand, and I got this color green, and I just love to use it while I have shampoo in my hair, and it just can help with circulation and moving, you know, your follicles and stuff to help create, you know, your hair to grow, hopefully. But also, it's just great to massage my scalp and release the tension. So that's one thing that I got. Then I really wanted a mock silky pillowcases to help with my skin and hair, because it really helps with preventing acne and just helps keep your hair smoother and silky, and I really do notice a difference. So I purchased these 2 satin white pillowcases. I really like them, and what's really cool about them is that they're a zippered pillowcase. So I got those, and they have a bunch of different colors to choose from, but I just got white because, as you know, I really like the color white. Even though they are getting a little bit dirty already, and I already used these and it has like a stain on it a little bit, but it's not like they were super expensive where they won't, if they don't last long, it's okay. But anyway, it's my pillow. Nobody's looking at my pillow, you know? And then I'll show you the last 2 items that I got. I went with getting 2 gym shorts. If you see that there's hair all over it, sorry, I have animals and the material just really picks those things up. And these are really cute. I'll try these on for you. I love that they have side pockets. I don't really have too many shorts for like the summertime for the gym, and I got navy blue and this maroon color. And I just really love that they have the 2 pockets on the side, so you could put your phone, you could put whatever. They're super comfy, and I got the size small because I'm petite and that's just the size of my body. So I'll try these on for you guys. I was really impressed that these were from Groupon, so that was really cool. So I definitely suggest looking in Groupon and seeing their items to shop for. It's the Marika items, the Marika brand, I mean. But those are the 2 things that I got. So I got these, I got a hair little scalpy thing, and pillowcases. So I was pretty happy with my purchase overall, especially since like I didn't get the Groupons that I wanted, but I was happier with what I got instead of getting my massage or whatever. But anyway, that's what I got from Groupon. Okay, these are the navy blue shorts, gym shorts that I got from Groupon. They fit perfectly. I love them. And obviously you have the pocket to put your phone or your keys, whatever it is that you want to put on. I just love them. There's Fluffy. Hello, Fluffy. And there's Shiva. But yeah, so those are the navy blue ones in a size small, and the maroon ones are in a size small as well. But there's these. They fit really, they're so comfortable. And these are the red ones. So this is the Marika, Marika brand on Groupon. And they just fit really nice. As you can see, it shapes your butt really good. And your legs, look at that. I haven't really been working out, but my legs still look pretty toned. I'd say. So these are the maroon ones, and again, they have the 2 side pockets. Mitigation, so like they have to make sure nothing is wet so that there's no mold. And then within 10 days, if we get our stuff stored, they have to file an an inconvenience claim. So we are due to be in Japan on October 21st. Our stuff is supposed to be there, our unaccompanied baggage, which is all of this stuff, not our furniture, has to be there. We're supposed to get it October 22nd. If we don't have a house by then, they will hold it, and then we could call them, and within 10 days they have to ship it. So it's pretty cool. And now I'm making some lunch. So let me show you. Toasting my bun, and I'm going to have the tuna salad. I'm gonna mix it with the dressing and then add it to my sandwich bun. I'm gonna eat it like that, and then whatever is left over, I'll just eat like a regular salad. And this is the dressing. So it is a big salad, obviously. It comes in this big jar. But look how delicious that looks, guys. Oh my. Food and a bun. It's on the wrong side. Whoops. Look at that. Delicious. They literally wrap everything in paper. Such a waste of money. I mean, such a waste of paper. Not eco-friendly, my point. But they have to because it's military regulations. Huh, girl? That's the military company, or the company the military uses. What's happening? The movers have left. It took them 3 hours to do the unaccompanied baggage, or bag, whatever. All the stuff is gone that I had there. I just moved that stuff there. And now it's time for round 2. They were here for 3 hours, so that means tomorrow they're probably gonna be here for like 5-6 hours, like all day long. It's gonna be a long day tomorrow. It just felt long, them being here for 3 hours. Anyway, I'm gonna go walk the dog and continue packing. They left some boxes, so I could pre-pack some things like my clothes. Off to Japan we go. See you stuff. See you in Japan. Good morning, everybody. Today is day 2 of the shipment. They're probably gonna be here all day long, and I pretty much packed everything, so they were just taking their sweet time. So I feel like they're gonna be here for like 6 hours today, because there's a lot to do, so let me show you. Got all this stuff that's going. There's Fluffy. Plants have to stay. I'm not allowed to take any plants. Sadness. I took everything down from the walls. More stuff on the counter. Cable stuff. I just like did this morning. I have to still go through all this, pack my crystals, go through this. It's been a nightmare. Here's the bedroom. It's all empty. And there's my crazy, messy closet. All the things that stay. It's exhausting, but I'm almost done, and then hopefully they should be here soon. And they have to like open all the boxes that I taped up by liability to make sure that everything is packed well. So it's kind of annoying, but Sheba has a little bit of anxiety with it. She doesn't know what's going on. My pantry stuff that is going, I put this all out this morning. It's just so much stuff. Huh, Fluffy? He doesn't know what's going on. All my hangers. Doesn't that give you like so much anxiety? Fafa! And all that. So, here. I took down the cat tree this morning. It already started loading the truck. Finishing the bedroom. Fluffy's hiding now. Get off the packing paper. Get off of that. You're not supposed to be on it. That's the moving truck. Say bye-bye. Hey, girl. Mommy's making the bed. Moving people are still here. So pretty fancy air mattress my aunt has. Has a little headboard. Here is the new bedroom. Fluffy rocking it as usual. Shiva is playing with her lacer. This is where we'll be camping out for a month. My aunt has a fancy air mattress. A little headboard piece. Oh, girl. So empty. Oh. They're still here, but everything empty. What's the matter with you? Where's Fluffy? Where's the Fluffs? Hi, Fluff. The movers officially left. Shivi is scoping the area. It's empty. So empty. Are you okay, Fluffs? Shiva, what happened? Where's all our stuff? Where is everything? Where is it? Woohoo! Are you so happy? They're gone? Yeah, you so happy. You bored? You bored at the vet, girl? We're at the vet because the military wants us to give them their stuff again. What? Where's Fluffy? Where's Fluffs? They took Fluffy. You hear Fluff? Our item. It is super cute. I love the gems. It's kind of like a fairy outfit to me.